Hey, and welcome to Witchcrafty. First of all, before we start, I just wanted to say thank you so much for 125 subscribers. I'm making a special video for it, it's just I thought I'd at least have another 2 weeks until it happened, so I'm running a little bit behind. That aside, today I wanted to show you how to make a sand seal plushie from the game Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. This was modelled after plushies that Lady Riju and Pada have in their rooms, and have since had many variations pop up online because they're just so cute. So let's get into the video. So here is a list of everything you will need for the construction. I'm just going to leave this picture here for about 10 seconds, so just pause it here if you need to. You can replace the dark blue and light blue felt and floss with any dark or light material to make a seal of any colour of choice. The pattern for this plushie is available for free from my DeviantArt. The link is in the description. Once you have downloaded and printed it, cut out all of the individual pieces. Once that has been done, cut out all of the pieces in their allocated colours, making sure to leave seam allowance where necessary and taking note of the amount you need of each shape. The first thing you need to do is to take the two side pieces with the tracing on the outside and sew up the little cuts on both sides. These are to give the plush its rounded shape. Then you just need to join the two side pieces along the rounded top. Place the bottom piece so that the tracing aligns with the sides and join it together. When you have nearly reached the end of the stitch, flip the plushie the right way up and stuff it. Then seal it off with an invisible stitch. Take the white embroidery floss and carefully place the eyes on the beige piece using a reference image, and sew them on in the shape of an X on each eye to represent buttons. Stitch 3 down and 3 across in dark blue thread on the white teeth, making the stitches smaller as you reach the tip of the teeth. Then, using a small backstitch, pin the beige piece in place at the front of the plush with the teeth just poking out from under and join it to the front. Repeat the same thing with the white teeth. Now you can move on to the body pieces. Place the fins with the tracing on the outside and sew along the line, leaving the straight line open. Flip both the right side up and stuff it lightly. Then, use an invisible stitch to join the fins to the side so that they tilt slightly upwards. Take the two dark blue back tail pieces and use the same technique with the fins, placing it so it points slightly up at the back. Before adding on the top pieces for the light blue fins, take the light blue floss and create large stitches to replicate the look and game around them. Repeat this technique with the back tail with dark blue floss. Then, take the top fins and sew along the tracing line with them placed inside out. When flipped the right way up, stuff them extremely lightly and repeat the invisible stitch to join them. And lastly, repeat the same stitch effect with the floss in their allocated colours on the fins. And there you have it, your very own sand seal plushie. Please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas that you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I upload new craft videos every week. Thanks for watching, bye!